Welcome back, students. Now, this module consists of cam and follower. In this module, we will see in detail cam and follower. So, let's start. The cam. Now here I have drawn the figure. So here it is in shape. You can find radial shape. So this is a cam, and here one element is attached to it. This is the follower. Okay. So when cam rotates, follower reciprocates. Cam rotate, follower reciprocate or oscillate. So what is a cam? Cam is a rotating mechanical element which provides rotating, reciprocating or oscillating type of motion to the other element attached with it, and that other element known as follower. So understood cam and follower. So application of this, it is used in to operate valve mechanism in assembly. Then water filling plant it is also used. So now we have to see the classification of follower. Here in the figure I have shown this circle. So this is a roller follower. So there are various types of follower. So classification of follower, it depends on some criteria. So first criteria is according to surface in contact. So according to surface in contact. So according to surface in contact, first type is knife edge contact. So this is knife edge contact. If you see, this edge is just like a knife. So that's why it is known as knife edge contact. So knife edge follower generally not used. It is rarely used. And the limitation is because of this knife edge, there is a excessive wear between this follower and cam surface. Second one is roller follower. So this is a roller follower with a roller shape. That's why it is known as a roller follower. This is used in gas and oil engine. This is also used in aircraft engine. Third one is flat or mushroom follower. So this is a flat or mushroom follower. So it is used to operate valve mechanism in an automobile engine. And last one is spherical follower. So this is a spherical shape. So this is a spherical. So these are the four types of follower according to surface in contact. Now second criteria, according to type of motion of follower. So according to type of motion of follower, there are two types of follower: translatory motion type follower and second type is oscillatory motion type follower. Now third criteria, according to line of motion of follower. So according to line of motion of follower, again two types: radial follower and offset follower. What is radial follower? So motion of the follower is along an axis passing to the center of cam. That is radial follower. And offset follower is motion of the follower is along an axis away from the axis of the cam. So there is some offset. So that is a offset. So these are three criteria. On the basis of that, followers are classified. Generally, in exam, it is asked what is cam, what is follower, or define follower, and explain the types. So you have to write down in details with the figure. Question will be asked for 4 marks or 6 marks. Then you have to see classification of cams. Again, here some criteria are there. So first criteria is according to type of shape. So according to type of shape, so there are radial or disc cam. Second one is cylindrical cam. Third one is wedge cam or it is translation cam. Fourth one is conjugate cam. Fifth one is providal cam, and sixth one is spherical. Then second criteria of the classification of cam is according to follower. So according to follower movement, there are two types. First one is DRDRD cam. DRD. So I think now coding start. So, don't panic. So what is the D means 12, R means rise, then second R means return. Okay. So here 12 rise, 12 return, 12 can. This way you have to read. Second one is DRRD can, that is 12 rise, return, 12 can. Third one is RRR can, rise, return, rise can. And fourth one is DRD can, that is 12 rise and 12 can. Now third criteria is according to type of constraint of the problem. So there are two types of can, preloaded string can and second one is positive type. So this way you have to write down the classification of can. Now here I told you, so there are follower movement, according to follower movement cams are classified DR, D, DR, RD. So rise, return, fail. So what is rise, what is return and what is fail? So we will see here. So rise is nothing but the upward movement of the follower or upward movement or displacement of the follower during the motion of cam is called rise of the follower. Then what is return? Rise means upward movement, return means downward movement. The downward movement of the follower during the motion of cam is called return of the follower. Then what is dwell? Dwell means no movement. Or we can say the zero movement or displacement of the follower during the motion of cam is called dwell of. Now here I have shown DRD cam. So this is the graph. So here let us say we can draw x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis there is a cam rotation. So cam is rotating, that's why angle theta is there. So cam rotates through 360 degree. One rotation is of 360 degree. So here I have mentioned 0 degree to 360 degree. And on y-axis I have shown displacement of follower. Generally, students, displacement of follower denoted by capital S. Displacement of follower denoted by capital S. Now here, dwell means zero movement, downward movement. So dwell, then rise, upward movement, then again dwell, zero movement, then return, downward movement, and again dwell. So dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. This is the DRD can. Now DRD can. Again, cam angle theta, then displacement of follower here. So dwell, then rise and return. Here it is loaded. So rise and immediately return. And again dwell, rise, return. This is the nature of the problems. Third one is RRR can. So it is rise, return, again start back. Correct? So this is RRR can. And fourth one is DRD can. So dwell, then rise and dwell can. Again coming distance. So this is DRD can. So these are the various classifications of follower. Correct? And various classification of can we have seen. Okay. Now we have to see some motions of the follower. Now as per your syllabus is concerned, so there are 4 motions given in this unit. So there are types of motion of follower. When the cam rotates at uniform angular velocity, the cam rotates at a uniform angular velocity, the follower may have the following motions. So which are the motions? First motion follower is having uniform velocity or uniform motion. These are the motion of follower, students. Please remember, these are motion of follower. First one is uniform velocity or uniform motion. The second motion is SHM, that means simple harmonic motion. Then third one is uniform acceleration and retardation. And fourth one is cycloidal motion. So these are the 4 motions of the follower. So you will see one by one various motions of the follower. Before proceeding to the various motions, so here there is a terminology of CAM, and this we will see terminology in the next class because it is very important for drawing the CAM profile. So we will see in the next class.